Hi, we're going to do artichokes today. What you want to look for is an artichoke that squeaks, one that feels heavy for its size, and is relatively fresh looking, not a lot of dehydrated leaves. First we'll take off a lot of these miscellaneous leaves on the stem. If you're going to use the stem, just cut this part off. If you just want to steam it and use the heart, you can take that part off. Acidulated water keeps the artichoke from browning too quickly. And I'm just going to cut this one in half and apply that as needed. You want to cut about the first third. You can see we're already at the core of where the choke is. Take off those tough outer leaves again. All the while, you want to apply the fresh lemon juice directly on the cut surfaces. So then you want to go along, and where you haven't, you want to trim these thorny tips off. Turn this and start trimming some of this off. Okay. And we can do this. If you're going to stuff it, you want to go in and take this out, the choke out, right from the center. But if you're going to do anything other than that, it'd be a lot easier if you just cut it in half, and then there you can totally see this is the choke, this is what will actually literally choke you. Then you just want to carefully go along. I'm using a grapefruit spoon here. You can see all the fuzzy stuff. This is the artichoke heart. This is the creme de la creme. This is what you really want to eat. We can take this directly and cook it. Voila.